Fact, building a community around your app or game business is the fastest way to your first $10,000 a month, and that is from experience. What's up guys, Justin here with another video, and today I'm talking all about how to build a community around your app or game business. So I know $10,000 for a lot of you is the holy grail. For an app or game developer, it's kind of the number that really cements you as going full-time, and you therefore have a lot more resources to be able to invest into your business and grow it even more. So how do you get to that $10,000 a month, and how do you build a community? You know, in the app or game space, it's been my experience that if you have at least 1,000 true loyal users, that number of $10,000 per month becomes almost impossible not to hit. Because if you have that community around you, they are a lot more willing to give you feedback, to give you value. They're going to spend money inside of your apps. And that is the fastest way you're going to get there. And that is even without a budget. Like in my case, when I started, I did not have any money to invest in marketing or anything like that. So I had to learn the organic way and the free way. And now sitting here, blessed that I can give you this advice if you are starting out. So how do you go about building a community? It's something you actually have to think of before you start your app or your game. You have to find a way to funnel users into a private group. And the magic there is when you funnel these like-minded individuals into a group, they start interacting, they become friends with each other. It's the magic of a community. Have you ever been out somewhere, maybe in public or at a bar or some event, and you meet someone and you guys just connect on some certain topics and you end up becoming friends? So that is the magic, like I say, in building communities. It's funneling all these people with the same problems that your app can potentially solve, and they interact with each other and they build lifelong friendships and also provide you with value, i.e. getting you to that first $10,000 per month. So to break down how I was able to funnel people into my personal Facebook group, basically I would have through ASO, you would start to get trickles of downloads into your game or your app, and then you would collect email addresses from those users. Now, when you have those email addresses, you can automate it. You can send them a welcome email, and then you can send them another email stating that you have an online community with like-minded people, and really to entice them, to get them to take action, you can launch competitions. You can say you are giving away a $25 Amazon gift card or a PayPal send, and then you can state the rules and terms of the competition. They will then be taken to a private group. For me, I find Facebook works really well, but having spoken to other developers, also Discord is a really great tool to use to build online communities. So it is up to your preference which one you prefer. So on my Facebook group, I have a few thousand players, and I'm always running competitions there. So you can send out a message or an email letting them know about this competition, and I'll show you in a minute the engagement it gets. And that also builds a sense of trust. And the thing is, people get bombarded with so many call to actions like emails, Facebook notifications. I mean, their notifications on their phone, on an average phone, just looks chaotic. So you really have to stand out, and you have to provide these players or these users with golden nuggets, because you are essentially training them to look out for your messages and your calls to action. So the best way to do that is incentivize them through competitions, and people love to win prizes and money. So it's a great way. It's worked for many years for me, and it continues to work. So that also, it trains them to look out for your emails and your messages. So what I will do is I will run competitions on my private Facebook group, as we will see in a second. And it is really effective for building that rapport and keeping people retained inside of your apps and your games. So here is an example of a competition I recently ran, and it's for a bingo game. And as you can see, there's a total of $50 giveaway, and you can see the engagement that people have on this post. So they're all posting their scores in hopes of winning the prize. So yeah, it is a very powerful marketing tool to keep people engaged and build that trust and that rapport, which is vitally important. Remember, just 1,000 loyal users, and that is a sure ticket to your first $10,000 a month. So that's what helped me get to my first $10,000 a month, and that was truly life-changing. And yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you implement it into your own app or game business. Let me know in the comments below how you build communities around your business. So hope you guys enjoy that. If you did, show some love, smash the like button, subscribe if you do like this type of content. Also, please feel free to join my free Discord. It is an online community for like-minded indie devs, and there's a ton of useful information and resources in there. The people are just very knowledgeable. I'm in that group too, so feel free to send me any questions that you might have about your own business, and yeah, I'm more than happy to answer them. So I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.